Hey guys, how are you? All good? Uh, just let's go here. 1 second, I want to show you something. Up, up, up. All right, so basically Optimism now. They did a few airdrops already. All right, so we're gonna go through a mission that they dropped already recently, which is now okay, the time of recording the video. So as you can see, this is the apps working with Optimism for the exchange, swapping, bridge. We have pool here, pool together. We have Velodrome. We have Quicks, and where is Clipper? Clipper. Because Clipper guys did an airdrop for every wallet participated in the quiz around from 5 to 20 optimism. Okay, so we'll go through this now. All right, I'll show you the quiz that already been made. Quests here. All right, okay, let's see it. So I did around 5 from 18, I guess. Let's see here. Quests on optimism. I finished 5 from 18. Yeah, I finished the easy ones, which is on Stargate, Pull Together, and Uniswap. We did some quicks as well. I did as well this one. Boardroom. Which one I miss? It was, I'll show you now, which is did the airdrop actually. So this is what pissed me off, that I didn't finish all this stuff. Some of the quiz had some leverage trading. You got my point. Some like providing liquidity and borrowing as well. Like it was some easy stuff, trading with high leverage. So it was risky a little bit, so I didn't do it. So let's go now for this one. All right, I'll try to leave the link in the description for you guys to go for it. And I'm planning to create a Telegram channel. All right, so you all can follow me there and see every airdrop, and I can post all the links there, easier from YouTube. So let's go. So basically here guys, exploring the Optimism Collective. All right, so the reason why we need to do this is to collect an NFT. Okay, so as you can see here, 2,660 people already did it. So we're gonna go through one by one with you, and I will teach you how to do it. So start quiz, nothing big. All right, so already started. Next question. Okay, what's the Optimism Collective? So Optimism Collective is a land of companies, community, and citizens working together to reward public goods. Okay, a brand of NFT music art. So we can go for this one. Well done. Next question. How can you participate? Okay, OP, which is the phrase for optimism, the currency is this shortcut, government's token on optimism, which is give you voting rights to participate. You can use optimism NFT, okay, vote. All right, you can choose to delegate delegate your OP is great strategy for those without time. Okay, so basically all of these, gonna go for it. Okay, how can you delegate your OP voting power? Okay, jump to the next step to learn on chain. No, you can't. No. So we're going to go. All right, so this one's done. Do you want to participate in government's delegate? Okay, so basically guys, delegate, what that means? It means that they ask you to votes for some projects, for vote for they want the community to decide some stuff, so they count on the community, and they decide that with the voting. That's why this community who did voting, who did the task, who did the test for the mainnet, the testnet, all this stuff, whoever the community that participate and did a lot of great job and follow this project and test all these products and all the applications, how it work, is it fast, they give feedback, they follow on Instagram, sorry, Discord, uh, a lot of options. Okay, so basically these kind of projects, they rely all the time and big time on the community, guys. So we are the community, so we're gonna go for it. Okay, the want to participate in governance, delegate. Okay, start. All right, so it will send us to the delegate. Okay, you connect your wallet, and here, as you can see, the delegators. The delegators means these people will vote for you because you are busy, you don't have time to vote for some projects. And if you press here, see how other token holders delegated, which is like say token holder, whoever have let's say a bunch of tokens, like a big amount of money, all right? And if you follow them, it's like you delegate, you give them the power to vote for you, and you give them the power, let's say, to access some coins or some amount of coins that you give it to them to vote. It will stay in your wallet, but it's a delegated one. Okay, so basically they can use this to vote, so you get the voting power. Okay, that needed to be for the voting. So if you want to check here, as you can see, there is more than 2,300,000 Optimism coin here, and this one as well, 2.5, 1.3, almost 1 million. So basically these guys are whales, and a lot of people following them and give them the power and trust to vote for them. So we can choose, let's say I choose this one last time, select as a delegate. All right, we press here, it will take us to Optimism. Or for MetaMask, you need to have gas fees, okay, which is Ethereum, and you need to have some Optimism. Okay, so here voting power, I have like 2.18 Optimism, and my delegator, which is this one, Polinia. Okay, so hi Polinia, whoever. Okay, just this video to guide the guys how to do the test and how to participate as well in the airdrop. So it's done. That's what we did here. All right, we go back, verify. Okay, so it's done, as you can see here. Supplying OP liquidity with Robicon. Okay, Robicon offers one token liquidity pool where you can supply your OP and earn rewards, also paid in OP. Supply any amount in one of the Robicon pool to verify, not understand the risk. Alright, so let's go. It's easier if you have some bunch of optimism. Alright, there will be some rewards when you do the pool. Alright, so you need to choose pool, connect wallets, MetaMask. Okay, next. Okay, done. So I'm gonna choose one only, alright, just for the purpose for this video. Approve. So it's better if you have bunch. Let's say if you have, let's say 20 OP Optimism, okay, and you can use, let's say 10 here and 10 for the delegator. Alright, so you can see as the gas fee here, it's 0.32. Approving. Okay, deposit 1 OP from your wallet. They need the approval, which is cost as well 29 cents. Gonna confirm. Why? Okay, cannot destruct property hash or okay, dismiss. Okay, click this one. Okay guys, so you need a little bit more than I have. I have only 2. Alright, so just like fill more and it will be easier for you to do it. Okay, portfolio total, okay, $5. I need to put some in my MetaMask. And this kind of wallets, guys, try to avoid connected with some suspicious accounts. because you might get hacked, so keep it with trusted only accounts. Okay, supplying OP liquidity. Let's see, try to verify. I guess it won't work because we didn't finish the task, the full task. Something went wrong, yes, because we didn't complete the task. Okay, so here, stay in Optimism. Okay, after you finish this one, you will go to this one, and the Optimism ecosystem offers fully site of exciting apps. Let's take a look below. Same, this one. You will just take a look, okay, and you will go back and you will be verifying and exploring DeFi on Optimism. Okay, such as Clipper, as I told you, these guys here. Okay, so basically they will explore. Your thing is to explore, you to open this kind of stuff. So let's say if we go here, launch app, you will connect your wallet. Mine is already connected, and I did some swaps here as well to verify. Let me check here. So basically, cool. Okay, manage liquidity. Just okay, vote. So here, when you have the voting power, which is the delegators now, they have it. I still have 0 voting power. So that's why. And as you can see, this is the pool I created. Okay. I earned some Velo, which is the coin for this website. Okay, Boardroom. I deposit not too much actually. It's like almost 1 OP as well. Okay, you can claim later. And if you have many pools, you will claim all together. Easy here. Okay, bribe. Okay, so basically here it's done. Okay, there is no way to see previous transactions. Okay, no problem. So basically this is what we're gonna do. Okay, you just check these kind of apps, 1 2 3 4 5 6, whatever, perform any on-chain action, same like as I told you. You can put one OP in pool, and after you can withdraw, no problem. Okay, do some swap with the gas fee, let's say USDT to USD, OP to USDT. It's up to you guys. And after that, celebrating autism journey by, okay, so you will click here, okay, and you will get straight away the NFT. So I will end the video now here. Okay, this guys, this mission, it's on layer 3. Okay, as you can see, it's layer 3 .xyz. All right, it's the beta version. So when you can go, you can just, let's say, I will try to post the link in the description, and you can go for it. All right, guys. So just like a tip, because I was finishing now, to be honest, doing the Arbitrum, which is the previous video, and now when I finished, I just found that Optimism, they just released this task. So guys, good luck, do it fast, okay, and hopefully you all will win some airdrops, and good luck. Thank you so much.